Turn that shit off.
You don't fucking ever talk about Van Halen like that.
No, you don't ever talk about devils.
It's Van Halen.
Yeah, they're probably in hell right now.
Ever talk about Van Halen like that?
Where are we going?
We're going to get a drift car.
Oh, it's a drift car?
It can be a drift car, probably a burnout car,
Rally car.
rally car. I mean, it can do it all kind of car.
So, like most people, we fall victims to Facebook Marketplace very often.
At least once or twice a day.
Yeah. So, me and Adam kind of have a competition going about who can find the best deal. And I got to say, he beat me. He found a Volvo 240 that's a rear-wheel drive stick car, runs and drives. Actually, it's pretty nice. It's got like the interior gutted out of it. Already got the battery relocated in the back. You don't have the right of way.
Hold on, buddy. We
Nice.
Taking the right of way.
We're ready to get clobbered before we even get our brand new car.
Up already.
So we're going to get this car for $400 that runs, drives. It's a stick and it has rear-wheel drive. So
And we're driving it home.
yeah, I'm gonna drive it home.
We're gonna share.
We're probably gonna blow it up on the way home.
Switch out.
First one to blow it up wins.
No, that's a lose. 'Cause then
If I'm driving it when we get back to the shop, I'm hitting the big gravel pit that we got there. The big gravel mount. Sending it right off the gravel mount.
okay.
So,
We'll call OmniSource tomorrow to pick it up.
not my money. Oh yeah. Alright, we're here. Going to get our new race car. That thing looked nice.
It's probably not that one. It's probably another piece of shit one sitting next to it.
No way, dude.
This guy's got all kinds of hot rods back
Yeah,
here.
dude. Going down an alley, it's always nice to go down an alley when you're going to buy a
Dumpster
car.
diving.
Oh, dude, that is it. Oh my gosh. Yes, it is.
Oh, dude, it
so
fucking shines.
Beautiful.
Damn, son.
Pull next to it, bro.
I ain't pulling next to it.
That's behind it, not next to it.
Dude, it's got a trailer
Pull
hitch.
next to it.
Next to it, like farther. Oh, like.
Yeah, like in the driveway next to
Oh.
it, probably. Oh, it's got a cracked windshield.
That's not really driveway.
It is now.
She just rallied out, dude. Fuck yeah.
Come on with it. Ah. How's it going? I can't wait to get my hands on this thing. I'm Nick.
Drew.
Nice to meet you, Drew. Sorry, we're taking a video for our YouTube channel. Is that alright with you? Yeah. Well, we just started, so that's what we're going to do with this thing. We're going to beat the shit out of it.
Oh, this will goof around. Yeah, this thing looks Oh, hell yeah.
Air holders in there.
Okay.
It fell off and I ran over it.
Perfect. The car's like
We're going to run a snorkel anyways all the way up on top of the car.
This car's solid.
Yeah, it is, man. There's no rust whatsoever here. I was kind of...
Oh shit, it's fuel injected, is it?
Yeah, real early fuel.
Yeah.
Like the-
injection.
Yeah. I was shocked. I figured it just had a carb only kind of deal on it.
The brake booster has been deleted, so it's going to be old school brakes on it.
Mhm.
Sweet.
Uh,
Yes, it is. Oh ho ho! got that straight pipe.
Proceed to North Wabash Street, then turn left.
Not the right way. Fuck, there's no seat belts in it? Oh, fuck.
Sir, how do you feel after your first rally race?
Felt real good. I hit a deer with a big golf ball on his head, and
Oh yeah, he's fucked
the
up.
e-brakes broke. So,
Oh,
bunch of smoke. We're
that didn't
good.
take long.
Just need some fuel. We need like a couple resignators on it.
Change the sound to a watt.
Look at that.
Is that good or bad? Is that
Just a bunch of grass.
Good, or would you look at
Just a bunch of grass. Oh, this thing's already got a rack on it.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
that's factory. That's what I mean. I knew it did.
Must have been from yesterday.
Battery trays out. Do a little vacuuming up. Back to it.
So we're making a cold air intake. We're going to reuse the factory plastic boot, cut that bad boy apart, make it a template to transfer over to aluminum so I can block off mud and dirt from getting up in here to the filter that came with the car. That's actually kind of nice. We got a factory Ram Air, boy. Let's see if you can see past this custom grill. It's got a factory cold air, fresh air tube. So we're gonna mount this right here and cut a hole through here and just run it over here so that way it's not picking up a bunch of dust and dirt and water. We also got new pieces for a new custom Mac exhaust, boy.
Are you putting the 5-inch on her?
I'm gonna use these to weld onto here to make it from 2.5 to 3. We're gonna do a dump right out the back. It's gonna be awesome. So I got my cardboard template transferred onto my sheet of aluminum here. It's a very crude piece, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not a customer car. It doesn't have to look awesome. I just want it to function right. So I'm going to set this bad boy right here, and I'm going to grab my jigsaw. I use a jigsaw for cutting all of my aluminum. It's actually kind of like a life hack, Fab Hack 5000 right here. This is the key to cutting all aluminum pieces. So I'll set you up so you can watch. Mick brought us over a custom intake that he built.
with the extra bend.
Yeah.
Where? Hey, you're breaking it now. You're breaking it. We paid good money for this thing. It
Straight off the Nova.
took us a whole hour to make this.
It's a big block specific.
We're safe now from dirt and debris and water.
Yeah. This is like a freaking mechanical fuel injection.
Bent her up.
Really old school, yeah.
Used all the scrap we had, pretty much. Only took an hour. Now it's time for exhaust.
Let's identify what's in the back of this piece of shit. Like how?
He said, I don't know, let's go see what it's doing, bro.
Wait, can I do that again? I didn't get it.
Where's the plastic tube?
I check up your ass. That's where I seen it last. So, one of the best parts about getting a new car is going through all the junk that's in it. And this one has some interesting stuff, this being one of them. Apparently this thing was about to get towed off, so that's a good time. Already got the trunk relocation, or I guess passenger compartment relocation battery set up. It's very nice. We got the old power wire just running through there. Excellent. Excellent. Hot Wheels packages, super nice there. What else we got? Muffler clamps for the muffler ain't on here. So yeah, the dash for the bad boy is sitting over here. It came with it. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty complete. Where the hell does that go? Who knows? I don't think it's going back in. So we're going to get her cleaned up here a little bit, and yeah, see what happens.
Let's hear them hymns. I want to hear some hymns.